Hello, this is Apple Support. We're totally not scammers. And, we have gotten many complaints about iPhone 8 problems. So, today we will be showing you how to fix these problems. First, what you'll need to do is you need to watch the rest of this video, and then you need to take a shower and say hallelujah and climb into your bed. And then hold the power off button until you have the option to turn your Apple phone off with the slider at the top of the screen. And then turn it back on and your iPhone 8 should be fixed.